This person is also getting a High Achiever Award for working so hard to reach their goals. It is going to Mr. Jacob Jensen.
Yeah.
Our next award is the Sunshine Award for having sunshine and happiness wherever they go. And this one is going to Miss...
Well, we've had a great week. It's the first week that the kids are out of school, and they're already going crazy, swimming and all kinds of stuff. So the key to this summer is going to be...
keep them busy.
Exactly.
Okay, for all of you that know me, I said I will never have a girly girl because Mama likes sports and Mama didn't like dolls. But look what I get. You love to play with dolls, don't you? And when Mama was little, she never played with dolls. How did I get a girly girl? How did this happen to me?
What are you doing, baby? What are you doing? You want to sit in the clothes? You're going to chill in the clothes? You're going to go night-night? You just want to sit in the clothes? You just want to sit in there? Leave her in there. There's a just thinking nerd.
There, you need a blankie too?
There you go. Night-night.
Night-night. If you like this video, subscribe, yo.
That was just crazy. I can't believe that just happened to me. There was this van, and he has those glass panels, and I've always thought to myself, like, man, what happens if one of those just falls off one time? 2 cars in front of me, it literally falls off, and boom, shatters all over the road. Amazing. Why didn't I have a camera on for that? Who knows when you need your camera on and when you don't? That was just ridiculous.
Yep. I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
That's very true. You might just miss it. And then that's what we've learned this week. This week we've learned to literally just stop and look around and see what's going on. I heard a quote this week that was really, really cool. It says that life is like a mist. It appears for a little while and then it vanishes and it's gone. And it's so true. We've lost Muhammad Ali this week, and we've lost some great musicians here recently with Prince and David Bowie and multiple other actors, and we're losing a lot of people, and we never know when our days are going to come, and so we have to take advantage of every opportunity that we can. And so we did that by starting with family dinners, and we started out with what we do,
Smiley face pancakes.
Smiley face pancakes, our kids' favorite. What are you doing? Hey, what do you think of the water? The kiddos have it all blown up?
Trying to take care of your little baby sister, guys? Good job.
What's going on with Kenzie?
She's sleeping.
She fell asleep on the stairs, so we need to look at this. She fell asleep on the stairs in her swimsuit. Like, what if she woke up and slipped down the stairs? Baby, gotta wake up. I don't want you to fall down the stairs. Candy Bear, wake up.
You're on the step, you realize that, right? You're like 4 steps away from the bottom.
Come on, you're passed out. Oh, you're so sleepy. Let's just put you over here. You can go down there. Ah, there you go.
We might go swimming again, you know.
Huh?
We might go swimming.
That's alright. What are you doing over there? Hey, what are you doing? Yeah?
What's Dada doing?
Making some awesome pancakes with a tongue sticking out.
Smiley face pancakes? Are those your favorite, dude?
Yeah.
Let's see. Hey, it looks just like Jacob.
What is this?
I'm supposed to have spiky hair like Jacob, but I didn't get it on there long enough. Bacon! Who wants bacon? You totally do. You're a baconator, huh? Are you the baconator?
I'm a baconator.
Yeah. Ow! Ow! Popping all over my skin. What do you think you're doing?
Putting strawberries on my...
I don't think you can do that. Strawberries?
Yeah. Strawberries.
Who are these kids, Mom?
Strawberries.
My kids?
Strawberries, strawberries. Strawberries.
We're heading out for the summer party for the students. That we're gonna head out there. It's our first party of the summer. Oh, dude, check out my eye. Way better. Way better. Yeah, I'm just waiting on a text message to see where the address is so I can map this. So I'm gonna head out there, get my party on. Are you freaking kidding me? I can't believe that just happened. I am driving, and my favorite drink right here has become my new favorite drink. I'm not gonna tell you who it is. Anyway, this is the second one I've spilled today. Spilled it all over the place. Ugh! Now I gotta clean all that up. Waste, party foul. Here, I don't even know where to go. Well, they gotta be out here. This gotta be it. I hear all the noise. Oh yeah, they're all in the pool there. It's locked here. What's happening? Wasn't anybody out there? Hi. Welcome. Hi. That's a pool full of kids right there. I'm not even gonna lie. That's a pool full of kids. Look at these guys over there. Look at these guys. So what do we want to remind everybody watching?
Laugh more. Love others.
Good job, and thumbs up this video if you liked it.
Why are you guys seeing monkeys in here? What are you doing?
We're trying to pull a toothbrush out.
So they're supposed to be getting ready for bed. And what are you doing? Being monkeys? Yeah, seriously.